Ever wondered how your refrigerator could tell you're out of milk, or how your car can alert you about traffic jams? Welcome to the world of connected devices. This is the realm of the Internet of Things, often abbreviated as IoT. It's a fascinating network where physical objects from everyday appliances to vehicles are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, enabling them to communicate and exchange data. Today, IoT is not just a buzzword, it's an integral part of our lives, subtly transforming the world as we know it. In this video, we will explore the concept of IoT, understand how it works, and delve into its numerous applications in our homes, businesses, and cities. From smart homes to intelligent traffic management, the IoT is ushering in an era of convenience and efficiency. Prepare to dive into the world of IoT as we unravel its workings and applications. But what exactly is the Internet of Things, and how do these devices communicate with each other? Imagine a world where your alarm clock doesn't just wake you up, but also tells your coffee maker to start brewing coffee. A world where your car tells your thermostat to warm up the house because you're 5 minutes away. This is the world of the Internet of Things, often abbreviated as IoT. At its core, IoT is a vast network of devices all connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. These aren't just computers and smartphones. They're things like refrigerators, washing machines, cars, heart monitors, and even farm animals or pets with biochip transponders. Basically, any physical object can become an IoT device if it can be connected to the Internet and controlled that way. But how does this work? The magic lies in the connectivity. Every IoT device has a piece of software, often called a client, that knows how to send and receive data over the Internet. When you tell your smart speaker to play your favorite song, it sends a request over the Internet to a server, which then sends back the song for your speaker to play. This is the basis of all IoT communication. The devices themselves can be quite simple, but when they're connected to the Internet, they become part of something much bigger. They become part of a global network of devices all talking to each other, all sharing data. And it's not just about convenience. IoT devices can monitor environmental conditions, track health data, optimize energy usage, and so much more. They can even communicate with each other to coordinate actions without any human intervention. For example, consider a smart thermostat and smart lights in a home. The thermostat can detect when the house is empty and tell the lights to turn off, saving energy. The software that powers these devices is also critical. It's what allows them to interpret the data they collect, make decisions, and take action. So, in essence, IoT is about devices talking to each other to make our lives easier. Now that we know what IoT is, let's delve deeper into how it works. Imagine a symphony orchestra, each instrument playing its part, but all working together to create a beautiful melody. That's what the Internet of Things, or IoT, is like. It's a network of devices all communicating and working together to make our lives easier. But how does this magic happen? Well, it's all about 4 key steps: data collection, data transmission, data processing, and action. First, we have data collection. This is where our devices, like our smart thermostat or our fitness tracker, collect information. They gather data about our environment, our activities, and even our preferences. The smart thermostat knows the temperature of your house, your fitness tracker knows your heart rate, and your smart fridge knows what food you have left. Next up, we have data transmission. This is where the magic of connectivity comes in. All the data that's been collected needs to be sent somewhere. This is done through the Internet, hence the name Internet of Things. Your devices send the data they've collected to a central system or cloud, where it can be stored and processed. Then comes data processing. This is where the data is analyzed and interpreted. It's like the brain of the operation. The central system takes all the data it's received and uses it to understand what's going on. It can identify patterns, make predictions, and even learn from past data. Finally, we have action. This is where the data is used to trigger a response. Based on the analysis from the data processing, the system can send commands to your devices. Your thermostat can adjust the temperature, your fitness tracker can give you workout recommendations, and your smart fridge can even order groceries for you. So, from the moment your devices start collecting data to the moment they act on that data, it's all a seamless process of communication, analysis, and action. It's like a well-oiled machine, all parts working together to make your life a little bit easier. And that's how your devices communicate, analyze, and act, all to make your life a little bit easier. We've seen the workings of IoT, but where do we see it in action? Let's start with our homes. Ever heard of smart homes? These are homes equipped with lighting, heating, and electronic devices that can be controlled remotely by smartphones or computers. With IoT, your home can learn your habits, like what time you usually get home from work, and can have your house warmed up and your favorite playlist streaming by the time you walk through the door. Refrigerators can alert you when you're low on milk, and washing machines can order detergent when they're running low. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your routine down pat. Now, let's scale this up a notch. When we apply IoT to entire cities, we get smart cities. In these cities, IoT can improve the efficiency of waste management by alerting when waste containers are full, improve energy efficiency by optimizing street lighting according to need, and even monitor air and water quality. Imagine a city where everything runs like clockwork, with minimal waste and maximum efficiency. That's the promise of smart cities. But IoT isn't just about convenience and efficiency. It's also transforming industries. It's called Industrial IoT. In factories, IoT devices monitor equipment and predict when they might fail, preventing costly breakdowns. In agriculture, IoT sensors can measure soil moisture and nutrient levels, helping farmers to use water and fertilizers more efficiently. And in logistics, IoT can track goods in real time, ensuring they get where they need to go when they need to get there. Healthcare is another area where IoT is making a huge difference. Healthcare IoT includes devices like wearable fitness trackers that monitor our heart rate and sleep patterns. But it also includes more sophisticated devices like smart insulin pens that track dosage and timing, and smart inhalers that monitor usage and remind patients when it's time to use them. These devices not only help individuals manage their health better, but also provide valuable data to healthcare providers, helping them to provide better care. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. IoT is finding applications in areas as diverse as wildlife conservation, where it's used to track endangered species, to art, where it's used to create interactive installations that respond to the viewer's presence. But as with any technology, it's not without its challenges. Security is a major concern, as is privacy. And there are also questions about what happens if the technology fails. But as we continue to innovate and find new ways to use IoT, we're also finding solutions to these challenges. From our homes to our cities, IoT is revolutionizing the way we live and work. It's making us more efficient, helping us make better decisions, and even helping us to take better care of our health. And as we continue to explore its possibilities, who knows what other changes it might bring? To sum up, IoT is more than just smart devices. It's a network of connected devices that communicate and work together to make our lives easier. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane and recap the key points we've discussed in this video. We started with the question, what is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is an intricate network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items. Each of these items is embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity. This allows them to connect and exchange data, making them smart and interactive. From there, we delved into understanding how IoT works. It's all about connectivity and data exchange. These devices collect and share data with each other, and often with us through the internet. This data is then analyzed and used to improve efficiency, save energy, or simply make our lives more comfortable and convenient. We then explored the numerous applications of IoT, from smart homes that adjust to our preferences, to intelligent transport systems that optimize traffic flow, and even smart cities that use IoT to improve the quality of life for their residents. Businesses too are reaping the benefits of IoT, using it to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. But as with any technology, IoT isn't without its challenges. Issues of privacy, security, and the ethical use of data are all areas that need careful consideration as we continue to integrate IoT into our lives. But the potential benefits are immense, And the possibilities, well, they're nearly limitless. As we move into a more connected future, IoT continues to redefine our interaction with the world around us. It's transforming the way we live, work, and play, and it's only just getting started. So, the next time your fridge tells you to buy milk, remember it's all part of the Internet of Things. That's it for our deep dive into the Internet of Things. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone else you think might benefit from understanding IoT a bit better. Have any thoughts, questions, or experiences with IoT you'd like to share? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you want to keep up with more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more insightful videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay connected in this rapidly evolving digital world.